In this video, we will explore input-output redirections. We'll see why they are required and what is their actual use case. To start with, we need to understand what are standard inputs, standard out, and standard error. So in Linux, we use this standard program to execute all the commands, right? And whatever the input which we write on this terminal or pass on some input to a command, we call that as standard input. Okay. uh, and when it comes to standard output, so if I write this is the input, this is a standard input for this screen, right? And whenever I run this command, we got this output, and this has displayed on the screen of this program, right? It's still happening within this program, right? That is on the standard screen. And when it comes to standard error, I'll say, right, we got the error also. So everything is happening within this terminal program, right? It is showing everything on the screen of this terminal only, that is on the standard screen, or the output of this program, right? Now, instead of you know printing in this standard way on the screen of this terminal, we can redirect all these output to some file, right? So how do we do that? That is using these input output redirections. So all the standard outputs are represented with number 1, and all the standard errors are represented with number 2 internally within this program. Now, for example, here I have taken this command. So if I show you this, here we have this sample txt file which is having some sample text. Here I'm trying to execute this sed command, in which I'm trying to replace this first with first tool in this file. And now, instead of, now if I don't use this IO redirection, it is going to print as a standard output on the screen. Instead, if I redirect it to some new file, right, then we can use this data for further processing, right? That is the actual use case of this IO redirections. So with this one, we are simply redirecting, and with this one we can append to the existing data within the file. And as I said, this 2 represents to the standard output, right? So we can use this 2 to this option to print. So if I don't use this one, and here I have intentionally made a mistake with the command name here, mkdir I have written instead of mkdir. So instead of that, we can use this IO redirection option and log it to a text file, right? So that is how this IO redirection operation works, and this is the actual use case of this. So thank you for your time. See you in next video.